Did you know your cough might be saving your life? Whether it's a tickle or a full-blown fit, there's a reason behind every cough. Let's uncover the truth. Coughing is your body's natural defense mechanism. It could be fighting off irritants like smoke or dust, pushing out allergens like pollen, or even trying to eject a foreign object stuck in your throat. Sometimes it's a sign of a viral invasion, like the flu or a cold, as your airways struggle to clear the infection. But if it's chronic, conditions like bronchitis or asthma might be the culprits, causing long-term inflammation or narrowing of your airways. Each cough tells a story about what's happening inside you.